You know what I love most about this extra crispy potato salad? It's the combination of textures, not only from the ingredients, but also temperature. So the hot and cold. You're going to take your cooked baby potatoes when they're fork tender, give them a smash. Then we're going to add them to a foil lined sheet pan. And we're going to first drizzle them with good quality oil. Then we're going to get some salt and pepper down over them. And you want to bake these at 425, flipping them until they're super crispy. Some cheeks off some bell peppers. I'm going to kind of go a little bit more of a Greek kind of a direction with this, but feel free to use whatever ingredients are your favorite. And then anytime you have citrus, make sure to give it a little roll. This will break up the fibers on the inside and make juicing it a lot easier. And then we'll finally chop up some garlic, some red onion. We'll add both mayonnaise and Greek yogurt. Squeeze in that lemon, give it a good stir. Then we'll add in our onions and our bell peppers, and we're also, for a little bit of pop of freshness and a little herbaceousness, we're going to go down with some scallion and some fresh parsley. Make sure to chop up the fresh parsley pretty finely. Going along with that kind of Greek idea, we're going to chop up some olives and get that in here. Give everything a good stir. This is going to be the dressing. When those crispy potatoes come out, add them to the bowl along with the dressing. The warmth from the potatoes is going to help melt everything and combine everything. It's fantastic. Additionally, you can top it off with some feta cheese, some bacon, and maybe even some fresh parsley and scallions if you like. Make sure to follow fnsharp.com for more.